Hi everyone, hope you're doing good. Welcome back to another video. Today I am trying out Seun Okimi's easiest wash and go routine again. 7 months later and different products. I am not the type to give up easily, and this routine seems to be what I want for my hair, and also it is adapted to the type of schedule I have now. Seun recommends to start washing the hair in twists, then unravel them as we go. The shampoo I am using is from Petrol Han. I hope I am pronouncing it well. It is a French brand. I am using the nutrition one, formulated specifically for dry or curly hair. The only reason I bought this shampoo is that we sell it at the salon where I work, and it does not feel right for me to sell something I don't use. Honestly, it is a good shampoo. It could be better because I think it dries out the hair a little too much. But if you moisturize your hair the right way, it should not be a problem. She said to mold the hair into the desired shape right from the shampoo. Last time I copied her shape, but I realized the side part works better for me. I am now conditioning my hair before I detangle it without a comb. I am using the Mega Growth Deep Conditioner because honestly it works better than the regular conditioner I have. 7 months ago, I could not imagine using my fingers to detangle my hair. But since then, I have tried it a few times, and all I can say is that it does not always work. It actually depends on the state of your hair at the beginning before the shampoo. If your hair is stretched before the shampoo, the process will be easier. But if your hair is shrunken like mine always end up being these days, God help you. God help you. I am not comfortable leaving my hair out like this in a shrunken state, but it is part of the process, so I just have to deal with it. After rinsing the conditioner out, I dried my hair with a microfiber towel before applying the gel. It might have been a mistake. She said to use a stronghold gel. The one I opted for is this Eco Style Curl on Wave gel for curly textures. If there is one thing I do not understand in this whole process, it is this gel application step. It is too freestyly. I don't even think that is a real word, but what I am trying to say is that there is no real way to know you are applying enough gel or not. My brain treats that as an incomplete instruction, and I might end up doing this for the rest of the day. I know a few of you have tried this routine before and it worked well for you. Please just watch and tell me what you think. The problem is, one of my subscribers suggested that my hair might not be 4C hair, and that is why the routine is not working for me. So I would love for some other people to tell me what they think the problem is. If my hair is not 4C hair, what could it possibly be? 4Z hair or this natural hair thing is not as easy as one would think. I promise you, this is how my hair was when I came back from work yesterday. I did this thing on my hair yesterday morning, but by the time I was coming back home, this is what my hair looked like. I have My colleagues kept asking me if there's something wrong, if I am okay, if I am really trying to avoid braids, but I don't know. I don't know what else to do at this point. I do not know what to do. Ah, look at my hair. Oh God, look at it. It feels so hard. So can you hear that noise? Oh, oh, oh. What do I do? I don't even know how I'm going to style it this morning before I go for work. I'm supposed to be at work in 30 minutes. I'm always late. I'm always late for work. Anyways, I'm going to find a solution. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember, things can never stay the same. They're definitely going to get better for you. So take